What if I told you there's a computer that doesn't just pick one answer, but can explore millions of answers all at the same exact time? A machine so powerful that some scientists believe it could change the future of medicine, energy, cybersecurity, and even artificial intelligence. This isn't science fiction. This is the strange and exciting world of quantum computing. To understand how a quantum computer works, we first need to look at what we already use every day: classical computers. Your laptop, your phone, even the tiny chip inside your smartwatch, they all speak the same digital language: bits. A bit can only ever be one of two choices: 0 or 1, on or off, yes or no. One thing at a time, very predictable. Now imagine a new type of computer that refuses to choose. Instead of picking 0 or 1, it chooses both at the same time. That special state is called superposition. The best way to picture it is to imagine flipping a coin. While the coin is spinning in the air, it's neither heads nor tails. It's a mixture of both. A qubit, the basic unit of a quantum computer, behaves just like that spinning coin. It holds multiple possibilities at once. And that is where the real magic begins. With classical computers, if you have 10 bits, you can only represent one possibility at a time among 1024 options. The computer must check each one slowly, one after another. But 10 qubits don't think this way. They can store all 1024 possibilities simultaneously. Double the qubits? Double the power? No, it's much more explosive than that. Every additional qubit multiplies the number of possibilities. This exponential growth is what makes quantum computers so incredibly powerful. But superposition isn't their only superpower. Quantum computers also use something even stranger: entanglement. Entanglement means qubits become connected in a way that defies common sense. If you change one qubit, the other one reacts immediately, even if it's on the opposite side of the universe. Einstein himself called it spooky action at a distance. Through entanglement, qubits can work together like a synchronized team, sharing information instantly, allowing quantum computers to solve complex problems faster than anything we've ever seen. So how does a quantum computer actually solve things? A classical computer solves a maze by checking each path step by step. But a quantum computer? It looks at every possible path all at once, and then a quantum algorithm forces the best answer to appear when the qubits are finally measured. It's like the computer tries every key on every lock, instantly, and hands you the right one without hesitation. What can this unlock for humanity? A lot. Quantum computers could design new medicines by simulating molecules that today's computers cannot handle. They could invent cleaner batteries and fuels by modeling chemical reactions perfectly. They could break current cryptography, meaning the secret codes that protect your bank account could suddenly be not so secret anymore. And when combined with artificial intelligence, they could create breakthroughs we can't even imagine yet. But before you worry that your smartphone will be replaced next year, relax. Quantum computers are extremely delicate. Just a tiny vibration, a small temperature change, or even the slightest interaction with the outside world can break their quantum states. So scientists keep them inside special machines, isolated from everything, in temperatures colder than outer space itself. The technology is still in its early stages. Think of it like giant experimental machines that can only solve very specific kinds of problems for now. Still, every month there's progress. More qubits, more stability, better algorithms. We are climbing a staircase into the unknown, and the top could change everything about how we solve the hardest problems on Earth. Quantum computers won't replace your laptop anytime soon, but they are opening the door to a brand new era, an era where we can answer questions that today we don't even know how to ask.
The quantum revolution is coming, and it might arrive sooner than we expect. If you enjoy learning how the universe works in a simple and fun way, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep exploring with us. And tell me in the comments, which mind-blowing topic should we simplify next?